So what's up with Apple not including the charger with the new iPhone 12? I mean, don't they know how much we look forward to seeing those little 5-watt adapters in the package? Anyway, what's up everybody? This is Dan, TechFit360. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Today on the channel, I'm going to be checking out the Fast Charging Essentials kit from Anker, and a special shout out to Anker for sending this product out to me for review. Now, like I said, Apple no longer includes the charger with the new iPhone, and that's not a big thing because I'm sure we have them spread throughout our whole house anyway. The problem with the 5-watt adapters is that they really don't take advantage of the fast charging capabilities of your new iPhone. Well, this right here wills. Now what we're going to do, we're going to unbox this, see what's on the inside, and then we're going to do a quick test. All right, let's get to it. Okay, everybody, now I've been using Anker products for many years, and honestly, I've never been disappointed. Inside the box is a documentation package which includes some charging info for both charging adapters. Also, there's a Charge Everything Faster card with some info on your 60-watt dual charger as well. Alright, so next is the Anker Nano 20-watt charger, which is just a tad bit larger than the original 5-watt adapter. Then we have the 60-watt 2-port wall charger, a 6-foot nylon USB-C to Lightning cable, and a 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. Also included is an interchangeable plug for your wall charger. I believe this to be a European plug. Now, if you've never tried Anker products out before, please give them a try. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I use a lot of their power banks and they work perfectly. Now, let's take a closer look at these products. Alright, so first up is the Nano 20-watt charger. I can't believe this tiny little thing is going to charge my iPhone 3 times faster than the original 5-watt adapter. And we're going to give that a test run in a sec. But getting back to the Nano charger from Anker, I am very excited to give this 20-watt charger a try. Now, for those of you who are wondering what is meant by IQ3, well, straight off the Anker website, this is Anker's proprietary technology that intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. Okay, so here I have the iPhone XS Max. The battery is at like 71% being charged with the 5-watt adapter, and the iPhone 11 on the right at 46% being charged with the Anker Nano. Now, let's check out the results after 30 minutes of charging. Okay everybody, after 30 minutes of charging, the iPhone 11 battery started at 46% and increased to 80%. And the iPhone XS Max battery started at 71% and increased to 85%. Okay, so next up is the PowerPort 3 2-port 60-watt dual charger. Now this device right here was designed with the traveler in mind. There are 2 USB-C charging ports that will allow you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. So I can charge my iPad and my Apple Watch or a MacBook Air and AirPods at the same time. Keep in mind, when using this charger, the total charging power is 60 watts. This device also includes interchangeable plugs, which will definitely come in handy for European travel. Personally, I like both of these devices. They are so compact and very well designed. Easy to just toss in your tech bag or your travel bag and hit the road. The cables provided in this kit are very attractive and tough. I especially like this nylon USB-C to Lightning cable with the chrome-plated ends. So we've learned that the Nano charger is oh so small but packs a lot of juice into your smart device, charging it 3 times faster than that old 5-watt charger. We also learned that the PowerPort 3 60-watt charger provides fast charging for more devices. Now, if you're interested in any of these devices, I'll leave the links in my description. FYI, the items in this Anker fast charging kit are sold separately. The Anker Nano sells for $16.99 and the PowerPort 3 dual charger sells for $52.99. Well, this concludes today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found this video to be helpful, and also go ahead and click the subscribe button to be a part of the TechFit crew. So if you have a favorite brand of chargers, please tell me about it in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my very next video.